Hey guys, welcome back. I am recording on my iPhone today, so my GoPro battery died, and plus my dog chewed some parts of it, so I have to reuse it. But today we're going to try to take off this trim right here, trim piece, and replace it with a chrome piece. I don't know the condition of what's under here. I mean, it might be a little dirty, but that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to go to O'Reilly's and get a trim strip, and yeah, catch that when I get there. Well, we just got back from the O'Reilly store. Got me some chrome stripping, which keeps it on back to cover up the holes. Got me some chrome polish, and I had this just to clean off the stuff. We're going to take off these bumper cover, and then take off that plastic strip. So we'll get to that license plate bracket first, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, after you take your license plate off, the two little bolts right here, there will be a 10 millimeter. Yeah, there'll be a 10 millimeter for each bolt, and this whole bracket should come off, and you'll be ready to take your this strip off. And there should be little plastic. I pulled these ones off. There should be little plastic bolts back behind here. I can't really. They're back behind here. It should be just bolts back there. You should just be able to pry them off, and then all the rest of this just pries off. This side trying to get pried off too. I can't really. I don't know. You guys see that? There's like little bolts back in there. Just pry these off, and you should be good to go. And then we'll get to that right now and get to put on that chrome strip. Catch you guys back when I get all the stuff off. Okay guys, I got license plate bracket off. I forgot to tell you, there is a bolt, a nut, and a bolt. One in the front, one in the back. I used, which one did I use? I used this one. I used a 1/2 inch for the nut, and then a 10 millimeter for the bolt, and it came right off. Now it's time to rip this off. This is just to come right off. Now these I'm gonna have a little trouble with. Alright. Wasn't as hard as I thought. And back here I show you, should come with these little round tabs right here. Not really useful at all. Yeah, now it's time to clean this all up and wax it. I'll chrome polish it, and then put that chrome strip on. I'll catch you when I'm done with all that. This guys looks so beautiful. You can tell the difference. Mirror finish. Yeah. This is gonna look beautiful. It's gonna definitely give the truck a different look. I love it. I'm gonna do the rest, and then I'll get you guys when I get the chrome strip installed. Catch you guys in a minute. Nice, she is done. All finished. Looks so darn good. Wasn't that hard to install? It looks a lot better. Definitely, if you guys are, if you guys are in the market for doing something cheap for budget, this is definitely the way to go. This chrome was at O'Reilly's. It's just, and it's only like 20 bucks. So if you guys are in the market for some cheap stuff to make the truck look a little better, definitely recommend it. You guys, I appreciate y'all who support my channel. Come out here and watch my vids. Watch the truck grow progressively. I'm not done with it yet at all. It's not going away anytime soon. So if you guys are curious enough, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, just hit that notification bar. I definitely bring you guys more content when the years go by. And I appreciate everybody who comes out. I appreciate everybody. Have a nice night. Thank you. Bye.